In this video, I'd like to talk about acoustic or noise prediction in SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation. I have an example here which could represent a commercial fan, and using the rotating region functionality in SOLIDWORKS Flow, we're predicting the resulting airflow velocities this fan will produce. This is a steady state analysis, and to get some rough idea of noise prediction, all I need to do is change my result plot to plot acoustic power, or acoustic power level is probably what you want to see the noise prediction in decibels. Now, if you're not seeing this under your drop-down menu for your plot types, you may need to choose Add Parameter and browse out for the additional noise prediction parameters here. Otherwise, there shouldn't be any special treatment you need to do to get acoustic power level predictions in a steady state analysis. This type of prediction is based on something known as Proudman's formula. And additional documentation is available in the user guide, which I'll link in the video description below. So this tells us approximately how loud the fan might be, but it doesn't tell us anything about the type of noise. Is it low frequency or high frequency? To get a better idea of the characteristics of the sound requires performing a transient analysis. In this case, the analysis was also performed using the sliding mesh rotation functionality in SOLIDWORKS. This allows predicting the actual rotation of the fan blades and any transient effects that are associated. To get out the frequency characteristics from this transient study, we'll need to create some goals for static pressure at measurement locations that we specify. So here I've placed a few points just in front of the fan blades and set up corresponding point goals to track the static pressure at these locations. Then we can insert what's known as an FFT plot. We'll choose the measurement locations we're interested in and specify the duration to sample. So I'm going to sample from about 0.1 to 0.2 seconds. I'll go ahead and click Export to Excel. And we'll get some graphs of sound amplitude versus frequency. So now we can start to characterize the frequency of the noise. You can also see the pressure level, PSD plot of power spectral density, and the goal plots for our raw data. I've rescaled things here so we can more clearly see what's happening with these pressure fluctuations. And as this fan is operating at 3000 RPM and has 3 blades, we can expect each blade to pass by a point about every 6 to 7 thousandths of a second, which is exactly what we're seeing here in these pressure measurements. And this is what is ultimately going to affect the frequency of the noise. You can see here I picked this range from 0.1 to 0.2 because it happened to be a stable repeating pattern for this particular transient study. The FFT plots also have additional documentation in the user guide, which will be provided here. It's worth noting that you may need to focus on mesh refinement and also time step size selection to make sure you can extract data at the frequencies you're interested in. Another caveat is that this entire approach assumes that the noise is caused by fluid flow. If you have some problem where there could be structural acoustic interactions, then you may want to consider another solver such as Abacus. I hope this video was helpful, and let us know what type of content you'd like to see next.